Now we are using this dimension A4. Now, as an organization or a company, you have your picture that you want to put on the calendar for people to see. So import that picture. Drag and drop into our project. Use Ctrl T to resize the picture. Go to filter, choose blur and Gaussian blur. Now let's use radius of 30 pixels. Okay. Now add a rectangle. I don't want the outline, so I'm taking it out. Now I am changing the color from black to color like this, or any of this. You can use it. So I am going for this one. Now let's add the year 2020. Use Ctrl T to resize it. Double click to highlight. Go to character. Reduce from 40 so -60 will do. Use the arrow keys to position it well. Now resize the background. Now add calendar. Now we are adding a line. Add your text here. So I'm going to make a copy using Ctrl J or Command J and drag it to this side. So I double click. So as the company text is here, you can have the company name right here. So let's make a copy of the 2020 using Ctrl J and edit it. So you take the rectangle and we'll make a shape just like this. This is how it will look like. So I am going to make copies of this shape and use it to fill all the columns. After that, I will delete, just for you to know how to go about it. So now I'm going to delete the rest and leave only this one, since I know that a copy of it can fill the entire space. So now we are going to work on this, and after that make copies. So we are going to spend time on this very one. So let's zoom it using Alt and the mouse wheel. Now we are going to change the color from black to white. The color is changed to white. We will go for the layer, go to blending options. Now we are selecting the drop shadow. So with opacity of 30 and size set to 30, distance 6, spread 5, black color, blend mode we have multiply. So we are going to keep this. So we are going to fully work on January. Then we copy and do the rest. So let's go ahead and zoom into it and complete the month January. Press and Control Alt as you use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. If you want to drag the whole document, press and hold the space bar and drag. So we have this for January. We are going to add the name of the month. So type January. Double click to highlight and change the color to black. Now drag this and drop it right here. Now change the font type. Use Ctrl T to resize. Now let's go ahead and complete the days. Make a copy Now we are changing the color of those in middle. This also. So we have Monday. So we change the text to white. Now we make a copy using Control or Command J to the rest and edit. Shift 1 to select all of them. Now duplicate with Control or Command J. Then drag downwards. So let's move them to this very side. Make another duplicate and drag them holding Shift key. So this is what we are going to have. So we take this one and bring it here. So for 5. 11 and make a duplicate. So 11 down to 5. So you press and hold Shift and select all. Make a duplicate using Control J. Now drag downwards. Make another copy. Drag downwards. And continue the numbers. So 11, 12. So delete the SS one. Now change the color let's go ahead and group everything that we have here. So we go to the layer. So everything here has been selected and we are grouping them. We are going to call it January. Now we are going to make a copy of January using Control or Command J. So we open it, we select everything that we have here. So drag everything. So we have April, press and hold Control, May, June. So we are using the arrow keys to bring them upwards. Thank you for your time. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. We will meet again. Bye bye.